Right, let us try to solve that. Kutwa, we should solve for x1 over x 5/3. This is equals to 32. So what I will do here, I know if I want to write this as a numerator, this becomes x minus 5/3. The exponent becomes negative because I want to write this as a base. And this is 32 with an exponent of 1. I want x, I will multiply by the reciprocal of this, which is negative 3 over 5. But what I do to this exponent, I must also do to this one, negative 3 over 5. So this will cancel, and my x will be 32. 1 times this is exactly that. And then I can write 32 here as 2 to exponent 5, negative 3 over 5. Numerator, denominator goes once. You have 2 minus 3, which is 1 over 2 exponent 3, which is 1 over 8. You can write it like that. And then it will give you that answer of 1 over 8. This is how you can do it. This is entirely how you can do it. This is entirely how we can do it. Okay, let's go to 2.1.2. We have the root of x plus 5 minus x, that is equals to 3. And then when we are here, I can group the like terms. I will have my root x plus 5, that is equals to x plus 3, taking this to the other side. I want to get rid of the square root. I will square both sides. This and this goes once, they cancel, the square root and 2. You are left with what is inside of a root. I'm repeating this 2 times. X plus 5, x squared, 3x plus 9. I have my x squared plus 6x plus 9. Take all this to this side. X squared 6x plus 9 minus x minus 5. My x squared 6x minus x, 5x, 9 minus 5, 4. X and x, 4 and 1. The bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. X equals minus 4 or x equals minus 1. And you are done. You are entirely done. You are completely and entirely done. Right. From there, we can try to go to the second one. We can try to go to the last one, which is log of x base 3 equals minus 1. Here, we are going to change from logarithmic to exponential. You will just say x to exponent minus 1 is equals to 3. We want to get rid of that negative. You will multiply by negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. Your x will be 3 to power minus 1, which is 1 over 3, because the exponent becomes positive. And then you are done with that. The very last one, this, the log of a, x minus 8, the log of a, 24, negative the log of a, x plus 2. Let's see what transpires from that. From this, the Sule. Na ke tsene nkonkwe ga kena kapa jwang wa tsena ke batla go bua maka nkonkwe a ke tsebe e ka go o grade 10 thotse nkonkwa di etsang a ke di utlwisise at all ka di mathapo madaka we have log a x minus 8 log a 24 negative log a x plus 2. Okay, let's bring our attention back into this. Very good. So what are we going to do here? I know when I subtract, I divide. X minus 8 divided by 24, and this will be equals to negative log a x plus 2. I can take this to the other side. Log, in fact, let me not divide first here. Let me take this to the other side. Log a x minus 8 minus log a 24 plus log a x plus 2. Yes, much better. And then from here, this is equals to 0 because I took this to the other side, it became positive. Now I can apply the law. This is positive, it's been added to this. So I can rearrange this as log a x minus 8 plus log a x plus 2, then say minus log a 24 equals to 0. And then I can have my log a. When I add, I multiply x minus 8, x plus 2. When I subtract, I divide. Divide by 24, this is equals to 0. Because they all contains a. From here, I can say, okay, I'm having my log a, I can multiply x squared plus 2x minus 8x minus 16 over 24 equals to 0. And then from there, log a, I have my x squared. 2x minus 8x is minus 6x minus 16 all over 24 equals to 0. I can change, what am I doing here? I can change from logarithmic to exponential. A to power 0 equals this. X squared minus 6x minus 16 over 24. Anything to exponent 0, the answer is 1. I can have my x squared minus 6x minus 16 over 24. I want to get rid of 24. I can multiply both sides by 24. This into this goes once. X squared minus 6x minus 16. This is exactly what I will have. Are we still fine? All right. And then from there, what is it that I can do from here? I can take this to this side. Okay. Minus 16 minus 24, 30, it's minus 40. The factors of 40 that can give me 6 is 10 and 4. The bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. This becomes positive. So x equals 10 or x equals minus 4. And I'm done. I'm sorry, with this one, I'm very sorry. You need to go and check which one is the solution. Please, you need. But I think we found one value. I think we found one value or two values of x. I'm very sorry here. You still need to go and check whether both are part of the solution or just one. I'm very sorry I forgot to look at that part. But this is all what I had for us. The marker is already gone, as we can see. Tomorrow, that means we have nothing to use for class. We honestly have nothing to use for class.